You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute. And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Discord, Kick, or X chat, go ahead, say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We got everybody in here. Wow. Wow. We've got everybody in here. What's really popping? Forgot to get the X stream going. Oopsie. It's always one that slips through the cracks. There we go. That's better. Take profit, trader 50% sale, a new reset rule. Huh? What? Where are you seeing this? Oh, there it is. Sorry, I've got a case of the retards this morning. Great comms, guys, great comms. Okay, flash sale. Good comms. There we go. So take profit trader 50% off, no activation fee, obviously. And test resets are $100. There you go. There you have it. Amazing. It's amazing. What's up, SW? What are you doing around here in these parts? What are you lost again? SW. This isn't tea. I think you're lost, buddy. This here is not tea. Secured a 2K payout from Top Step. Let's go, Quicksand. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, sorry. Test resets. My bad. Relax. $150K test resets are now going to be $199. But until Saturday, all test account resets are $100. The new reset prices for the 25K accounts are going to go down to $79. Thank you, Deserve. Appreciate that. So 50% off. There we go. 50%. Sleep score? Fucking glorious, baby. 86. 86%. Glorious. Very good. Anything above 70 is good for me. Yes, indeed. So the markets have kind of returned back from those previous week highs, and we're just chilling down here. Back to 74.7. We were trading around this level in the when we were trading Globex, so. Funded seat is back to working, which is awesome. Love that. Love me some funded seat. What account size do we have here in TBT? Let me see. They always have so many. They have 25, 50, 75, 1. Okay. All right. We got funded and funded seat now. That account should be active in my trade seat. Let's see. Yep, there's my funded. We are $400 away from passing in these ones. So maybe we try to pass in these bad boys, huh? What do you guys think? The fees is going up? What fees? What fees are you talking about? Yes, the copy trader is now working on funded seat. Trade C and funded seat is now working. 100%. We talked about that during Globex. I read their message and everything. They apologized. It was really out of their hands, though. It wasn't their fault. It was Trade C and Rhythmic's fault. They had nothing to do with it. The test resets. Is the price going up? What was the price of a 150K reset? You go live 6 p.m. Eastern. Yes. 8 a.m. 6 p.m. Is that hard to read? Should we get that changed? Is it hard to read that text? A real question, not making fun of you. Have them fix that maybe? Little bit? The green on green? Okay. Let me tell them right now. Folks are blind. I like it. Wait, hold on. Let me run a poll. That's how we can do this. Is it... Huh? Change the text above my head. All right. Talking about this. So change the text above my head. Either hard to read or it's fine or no idea what you're talking about. Slightly hard to read with green on green. Yeah, that's what people said. What's up, National? Talkbot? Julius, can you read? I said, no idea what you're talking about. Fuck out of here. Talkbot. Talkbot. Get the fuck out of here, bro. We are selling here below 300. Once again, Julius fucked up our trade. God damn it, Julius. It's always your fault. God damn it, Julius. No readings today? Are you Miss Cleo? What do you mean no readings? Can you able to mute or kick a person hearing your live? No, they blocked me from doing that. I have to email in order to do that. Why do you ask? Is there somebody you want me to block or kick? I can do that for you. I just have to email them or send them a letter via USPS, registered mail. Just depends. Oh, we're doing the Globex thing now. This is great. We're doing the Globex thing where we just reverse completely no matter what. That's awesome. Where is Soupy and Recharge Mig? I don't know what Recharge Mig means. That's a new one for me. New Lambo. Any ideas? Oh, the Roadster that's coming out that's only for like 15 customers? What about it? What is that what we're talking about? Are you in shorts? Yes. These are nice, beautiful shorts right here. Yes. Thank you for asking. Appreciate that. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Not very many people ask me what type of clothing I'm wearing, so that's nice. You know what I mean? Took a big dump on the company time. Nice work there, Jeff. Way to go. Way to stick it to the man, brother. That's what I'm talking about. 74.07 and 3/4 is the level I want to see us schmeckling into, but we're just kind of holding down here. Seems to be our MO lately. Yeah, it looks like this just wants to hold down here. $8:30, no data coming out. Yeah, it looks like we're just gonna hang out here forever. All right, I'm over that trade. Just kind of hanging there forever and a day. if you're on YouTube right now, I kind of want to do an exclusive giveaway for YouTube, but you guys are so dead silent right now. Guys are just like locked in over there on YouTube, just like, Yeah, so we once again found the exact bottom. It's kind of crazy how that works. We found the exact bottom of the day. I mean, it only took us how many points to get there? 111 points to get there, and we've somehow found the exact bottom again. Okay, let's see on 301 here. Maybe we do another flip. I mean, this would be nice. Trying this up here. Under 301 again, looking for another flip back to the downside following this momentum. See if we can get this time around. Back to that weekly open area of price. 301 3/4 is everything. That's all we care about, really. We have very little news coming out. News is very limited today, so bottom of the hour stuff not going to be all that important. Be nice if we could get the single direction to hold in this market. For instance, this right here down to 74.07 would be amazing, but we're moving 3 points and bouncing. So let's see. 74.07 3/4. If we don't pick this down below 82, then not going to be that great of a trade. Right now, it's just holding up underneath 74.07. Any recommendations for indicators for non-bookmap people? Yes, RIPS key levels. It's probably the best one. Give you all the sauce that you need every single morning, baby. Okay. Cover that there at the low just because this thing has been bouncing over and over. Is it hot sauce or salsa? No, it's neither. It's pico de gallo. If you want to get technical with me, it is pico de gallo. I wonder if equities are actually going to catch up to indice futures today. Makes you wonder. You know what's crazy is the metals are going bucknuckular right now. Absolutely crazy. Sometimes link not working. What link? What link not working? See gold. It's a nice candle. Oh shit, yeah. Whee! Crazy. We're never looking at it when it happens. That's the problem. Now it worked. What are you talking about? What's up, Biff? MP4? Ooh, what a name. Okay, back to 301 here. See if there's enough pressure. We're just doing some fucking range trading here. They're trying to sell it at 301, but they're kind of pushing it through here. We have not traded our alpha funded accounts yet. Look at them, just pushing this thing higher and higher. Pressure. Got 104 contracts at 300 now. Somebody literally wanted to get filled there because you can see it all like just chilling right there. Pushing it higher. If the S&Ps can hold this below 74.13, there might be a nice little short here. We'll have to see though. I forgot to see the results of the poll. What was it? Did we change this text or no? Yeah, no data coming out in 20 seconds, but this will definitely move the market because the liquidity. So don't change it. Okay, all right. I mean, I'm down to change it if you guys want me to. But yeah, okay, fair enough. Fine by me, man. All right, here we go. Bang. Let's see. See if they want to keep buying this shit. I like how Ripsmod just messaged me. Ripsmod said, change for sure. Like the vote was like overwhelmingly no. All right, thanks Ripsmod. Bottom of the hour, about to click the button, take a trade. Hey, I forgot, I gotta spam you right now. All right, I'm gonna try the short from up here. I want to see this breaking through 300. Let's see. Coming to 300. There's our level here. I'm gonna pull off half here at the bid if we can get one tick lower. I don't know why I bother with bid fucking bullshit. And I tried to pull off half there at 300 spot 75, and of course, it doesn't. Bam, bam, ba-dim. Nice. Nice, nice. I should just mark it. I don't know why I even bother. This market has been moving in these tiny little microstructures, and it's never forgiving. Like they really refuse to give you like single ticks in this market. It's kind of annoying. Super annoying. Fill it, dude. Just fucking, there you go. God, that guy's back with 100 contracts. I'm out of here. I need $140 more to pass. Rips, did you say fan view? Huh? The fuck are you talking about? Did I say fan view? Your hearing is going? Yeah, your eyesight too. Oh. Yeah, I need 53K to pass. Yeah, I do backtest. I mean, I used to do all that. Way more than what I do now. How are you guys all doing out there? What are you guys trading on? I'm just trying to pass these funded seed accounts and then we can move on to... I'm probably going to trade alpha for regular trading hours. You know? These are bookmap charts. Bookmap, like that. They're talking about hantavirus right now? Seriously? All right, I'm gonna short this again. They said hantavirus. I need this below 302. We're copy trading on 2 accounts. We've passed 1 account. We can trade 3 accounts. Or we can trade 5 accounts, but I have 3. I don't know why I have 3. 3 50K accounts. Nope, they don't want to do it. Once again, we're at 300 spot 75. I'm going to stop using limit orders in this price action. They're just silly with this. It's just silly using limit orders. You're joking me, right? How does that not fill? Look at this. How does that not fill? I'm so confused. How does that not fill? 98. Of course, if it was a stop, it would fill instantly, right? How did that not fill? Right after I said I'm not going to use limit orders. That's so funny. That's actually hilarious. All right, I'm over that one. The last 100 to 200 passes harder than getting there almost every damn time. Nah. It's just, today is just fucking, it's one of those days where thankfully we handled this price action when it mattered before I went live. But now that we went live and we're trading props, it's just, this is just, this is such nonsense. It's such nonsense. No, the price action didn't suck. Like from here to here, like this was really nice. But ever since then, it's been really just terrible. It is what it is. I don't really care. It's fine. I need to make 200 bucks. Trading Lucid over eval over on Onyx? The fuck is Onyx? The fuck is Onyx, bro? What fucking... Huh? Onyx is like Tradesy? How have I not heard about this? It's on Lucid? Huh? How have I not heard about this? What the fuck? Account. Lucid Pro. Is it like a rhythmic thing? Is it under rhythmic data feed? Is it built in with Lucid? Do they offer it, or do you have to like go to their website and shit and sign up? Oh, it's made by Wealth Charts. It's made by Wealth Charts? So it's Wealth Charts. Are we talking about Wealth Charts? Talking about practice? Let's see. Onyx trading platform. Bum, ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-dum. What the fuck is this? I mean, it doesn't even say that it's offered with Lucid right now. Huh. It doesn't even show it. When I go to their Onyx trading thing, it doesn't even show Lucid on there. I don't know. Any particular reason you trade one firm at a time instead of using a copy to trade multiple firms at once? Yeah, to mitigate risk. We're back short here. Just to mitigate risk. I'm gonna add if we pop back up. We're back to the weekly open. I guess we're just gonna be range bound this morning, huh? Looking like at the levels that we're rejecting at. I want us to like flush 301 and like actually flush it though. It's working slightly better here. We're very close now. Let's see. See if we can clear down here. Chances are we're just gonna bounce, right? Okay. Cool. Those are passed. Let's see. Yes. All right, sweet. We passed those. Fantastic. I might have to lose money on one of these. We'll see. Because my consistency might be slightly off. But there we go. Wealth chart isn't Apex or Onyx. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's been crazy these levels, dude. Kind of fucking nuts. I mean, dude, this price action is so bad. This is gross. London was trash. Tokyo was trash. This is just nonsense. Blah. If you don't mind me asking, why don't you trade ES since the order flow is cleaner? I do. I do trade ES. I traded a lot of ES last year, specifically during when Trump had his tariffs. How many NQ were we taking there? Between 1 and 4. Mostly 2s on those scalps. Why is there so many trading platforms coming out now? And where's Trades by Matt's trading platform? What the hell, buddy? What's he doing over there? Where's all that money going? What's he really doing with that cash, huh? What's the secret? Ribs, I'm not spamming. I just need someone to talk me out of spending $700 for a TBT reset. Don't. Buy a new account. Literally just buy a new account. Do you know how many prop firm challenges you can buy for $700? You can buy so many on Funded C, Lucid. Alpha, bro, you can trade on Alpha? Dude, $700 will get you so much room for activities on Alpha. You crazy? You won't get any better spending that $700 over a new account. You'll get way more value, I think. Can't win a new TBT account on your own, then why wouldn't you blow up your live again? I mean, it's just to just skip the line, you know? There's a lot of people that do it. Dude, I've seen some horror stories from people using TBT resets, by the way. I've seen some crazy horror stories about that shit. Mind blowing. Dude, do I still have oh my god, I still have fucking drawdown in these Lightning funded accounts, I think. Let me see. $1,000. Who cares about that? Whatever. I'll trade those Lightning funded tomorrow. I was just looking to see what I had left in those Lightning funded. Kind of annoyed by that. I just want to move on. The Edge funder just dropped. Dude, come on. Come on. Are you still on short? No, I have nothing on. You can see. So what do you think about oil leaps? Like 2 years to put around 80. Bit too expensive. Yeah, I mean, why? Why would you? Yeah, no. Why? That's not my speed. Not at all. All right, let's do a channel points gamble here, huh? Shorts are going. Let's see here. All right, 1 minute for your first prediction here. Go nuts. Go nuts, baby. Nice clean move there. What do I want to trade? Oh yeah, we have Lucid. That's right. Like what low pressure accounts do I have? These ones. Sweet. I got my Lucid accounts to trade. So the TPT funded seat trade C copier is working just fine. Perfectly. Absolutely perfectly. Shared some trade C extensions in charts and trades, which you may find interesting. Price levels and quicker order placement. Maybe take a look when markets become dull. Okay. I will. Thank you. Trading down to this double level. Only reason I'm not short is because we're coming up to the double level here. What leaps do I have? That's for me to know, brother. Nvidia is one of them. That's the easiest one. Nvidia. Been rolling those fucking leaps for years now. Do you like Trade C better than Trade A? Yes, 1,000,000 times over. Hey Rips, what were the size of you hard drives that you store your streams on? 8 terabytes. 8 terabytes. Do 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 do. Got an instant daily funded yesterday. I used a discount. What will my monthly fee be? I don't know. Do you want me to guess which firm you're using? Was this a guessing game? Oh. Ooh, the cards. Okay. All right, let's find out. Hassett is talking. See, that's why I didn't want to take that short, because it was approaching those levels. All right. We got the cards here, baby. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? You heard a fart? That is a waterfall, not a fart, my friend. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I could see that being a chart. Rips, if I'm from Europe, is in Rips indicator, do I modify the hours according to my time? Yeah, or you just change the time zone in the indicator. I use the New York time zone in mine. You guys want to pick 7, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 7 it is. 7th card here for the very first time. Let's see what it is. I believe that's the 3 of hearts. The 3 of swords, my fault. Shot through the heart and you're to blame. You give Sharts a bad name. 3 of Sharts. Yeah, that doesn't look very good. I think the market is gonna get sworded today. Hey, there you go. It's working. Look at that. It's working. Amazing. Okay, coming down straight to our level. Bouncing straight at our level there. Trying to fucking break that level down. Iran has deployed submarines in the Strait of Hormuz. That's why we had that. I mean, they dumped that, but then they didn't continue the dump. I'm gonna try this long, since they aren't continuing this dump. I want to add, if we continue to hold above 62, if we can reclaim 74.07, then I'm into it big. Adding right here. Just trying to reverse the reversal here. The news isn't that bad, right? See if we can pick up above 80s. It's not that bad of news, right? Pass it talking again. Let it rise, baby. Let it rise. There you, oh, we had a chance to get into those 80s. They really want to start picking this thing up, I feel. If they're backstopping these 80s, we're in trouble, folks. Gotta worry about those 80s. We gotta reclaim 80s here. They should be able to pop it right over. Just pop it. Pop it, pop it, pop it. There you go. No, no, no. Can we just get some nice, clean price action? Is it so much for us to ask for here? One more tick. There you go. I like how we didn't even print it and it still gave it to us. That was nice. Thank you. Cool. There we go. 582 bucks on shop account. It's 2,500 bucks. Well, almost 3K. Okay, so we got that all figured out. Should we go for another one? What do we think? Go for another one? We saw that, I mean, the cards told us that that dump was coming. So, feel like we could do one more before the open. Waiting for that number. Like, how did the cards tell us? There's fucking 3 swords through a heart. And we dropped 30 points. What more do you want the cards to tell you? Literally. The card said there's 3 swords and a heart. So we're like, okay, so it's gonna drop 30 points, and it dropped 30 points. Easy game. 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 11th card here. Let's see what this one has to say. That's the Joker. Okay, let's take the 12th card. Oh, God. Paper hands? This one says paper hands. Paper hands? Paper hands? What are they talking about, paper hands? Paper hands? Now they're talking shit about my exit? What the fuck? Do I hear a knock on the door or do I have a tumor? Are you literally calling for neighbors knocking at 8:51 in the morning? Are you high on drugs? You should get banned for that. Ripsmon, what do you think? Should we ban this guy? I feel like that guy deserves a ban for that. Do I hear neighbors knocking? The fuck? 8:51 in the morning? Are you high on drugs? Maybe your neighbors knock at 8:51 in the morning. No, boss. Lives in a neighborhood where the neighbors are scratching at your door. It's the police. That's funny. Damn, dude, the tarot cards never miss. I mean, they just said that we have paper hands, and they were correct about that trade. We totally paper handed the shit out of that trade. We covered at 80s. It's now trading at 90s. We missed 10 points of alpha there. Carlos's mom scratching my back last night? What? Brother, what? I'll be right back. All right, we are back. So fucking back, baby. Whee! Yeah, we really did paper hand that trade, huh? We would be up another 15 points. Oh, well. Those cards are really good, though. They never lie. It's crazy. That's crazy. That's nuts. It's unreal. What's like a wet napkin? Huh? Is a short valid here? Maybe at 301 3/4. But we are rejecting the lows. Like, we've continually rejected the lows. I mean, we're trading up to the levels again, so I should have just held. I don't know. Why am I not holding for the fucking level? Dingus. Yeah. Feel like the moment you said it was a valid short. Morning, Rips. I've been trading on paper and doing well. Bang. Let's go, baby. Are we all green right now, boys and girls? Yeah, no, I know it's never a bad thing. It's just funny that the cards were talking shit to us. Oh, Yama. Why'd you change your name, Yama? 242. Guys got some dubbies going. Red in your current trade, I'm guessing you're short. We should have taken that short. Perfect time to come back to that too. All right, let's see if we, it's hard for me to take the short when there's so many reasons for us to hold these lows. All right, 15 seconds till the top of the hour. This is gonna be pretty telling. I'm gonna pay out the channel gamble points at 906. How many points are in the pool here? Oh, you guys, come on, 125,000 points in the pool? You guys barely even gambled. Soft. That is soft. All right, we're pushing up to 301 3/4. I'm gonna try this here. I'm gonna try this short. I'm just using our levels here. I'm looking for a scalp. I'm not looking for this thing to return all the way back down. I'm just looking for a little bit of a scalp here. A little bit of motion. The high that we could take this to is 312. That's the highest I can take this. We need 301 to trade out here. 301. There we go. Beautiful. Find the flow. Find the flow, baby. Yes. Nice. We're holding a lot there, actually. I might stop there. I feel like we had way more profit than that on that trade. Okay, stopped out. Yeah, well, you have to really fucking battle for points today. It's kind of crazy. Checking my copier, making sure everything's kosher here. Yep, we're all good. Cool. Remember we had some copy issues with Tracy, but it feels like they're all kind of fixed. Rips, 3 months ago I joined your live stream to win a free giveaway, but now I'm addicted to your stream. Thanks. I'm sorry. They have programs for that. It's called WA, Winners Anonymous. You show up, you say, my name's Future Zone. I'm a winning addict. Sit around in a circle. Winners Anonymous, baby. Winners Anonymous. That's the place to be, baby. Oh, we got stopped out right at the topping part of that PNC. God dang it. Son of a bitch. Anyway, it's very, dude, have you guys not noticed how scalpy you have to be in this dog shit price action lately? Isn't it annoying? Like we had room to 312 there and it's like fucking flirting with it, and it's like, I would have been so bummed if they took 312 and they fucking cacked it down. Just threw the levels on, looks like witchcraft. I mean, brother, is this your first time putting the levels on? How many people we got in the Rips Nation now? It's a lot. We have currently in the Rips Nation 2,100 people. Wow. We need 173 people to follow over on Kick. If you're on YouTube right now, if you could do me a really big solid, if you're on YouTube and you're not on Kick, go to kick.com/rips, kick.com/rips. And if you have a Google account, it's a one click to join, and then just follow over on Kick. I'm trying to get 173 more people. It's only 10% of you on YouTube right now that I need you. What are the best news wires? AP, Reuters, Bloomberg, Al Jazeera. What am I leaving out? I think those are the top ones. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. RT. Oh, they're interesting. Followed you on Insta through the wife accounts. Thank you. Appreciate that. Financial juice is not Financial juice is not a wire. That'd be so funny if they had that during like FOMC. They're like, hey man, it's Mike Jones reporting from Financial Juice here. Oh man, be fucking funny. This is good to know why something just happened though. Where do you think Financial Juice gets their news from? We're talking about wires. Where do you think that Financial Juice picks up their news from? They pick it up from The Wire, Al Jazeera, AP, Bloomberg, Reuters. Ah, boy. Yeah, they're just like, got one. It's like a seashell. You hold it up to your ear. Not as fast, no. Oh. Brain hurts. Brain hurts. What's up, Tiger? Nice. Look at all these follows. Let's go, baby. Yeah, code is either MC20 or RIPS. I think RIPS still works. Try code RIPS first, see if that works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna fucking scream at them. Not really, but. Overs? Okay. What? Okay, we're doing one more short one here. I don't mean short like going down. Sorry, I don't want to use those words. One more short-dated prediction. I started my first Tradeify account, up 300 per account, taking it slow. Let's go. Where do you usually trade, Dane? How do I gamble channel points? Right now, you can gamble them. We have a gamble that's live right now in this moment. Rips, genuinely confused. Is it not the same content, just not as quick? Okay, so Financial Juice gets their news from the AP wire, the Reuters wire, the Bloomberg wire, the Al Jazeera wire. Those are independent actual reporters. Like those are the news. That's where it comes from. Bloomberg assimilates all of those things fastest. Financial Juice has a guy who has a Bloomberg Germinal subscription who literally waits for Bloomberg to populate and then gets them from that. There you go. Hopefully that explains it. Rips, you play much with Negreanu? I'm watching a podcast where he says he doesn't really enjoy cash games, preferring tournaments. I remember you saying that you're the opposite, so many you haven't ran into Daniel much. Yeah, the last time I saw Daniel, he was playing a tournament at PokerGo, and I was playing a cash game at PokerGo. We tried to talk him into playing our little small cash game, but he didn't play. But he had just won, I think, the Omaha Championship. This is a year ago, so that was the last time that I talked to him. I do plan on playing with him a lot during the World Series of Poker this year. If I end up at the same table as him, I don't get to choose, you know. Yes, I'm playing the World Series of Poker this year, and I'm going to be having a lot of content behind that. How come FJ gets the news faster than the Germinal at times? It literally never happens. Literally never happens. The only time that happens is if you're using Bloomberg Germinal Lite like Lomanco is. He's using the Brokey version of it. And that would be the only time that Financial Juice gets it faster. Rips, been a while. Happy for you, brother. Did you ever do an order flow series to learn more? We're doing a bookmap course. It's completely for free. Where have you been, Yovan? Or Yovani? My Germinal is as fast as yours. That's not what I've heard, dude. Listen. Not true. It's not what I've heard, man. My Germinal actually has an inline 6. It's turbocharged and supercharged. It spits fire. Your Germinal is like a 100 horsepower lawnmower engine that's souped up. Bitch. I don't know what we're talking about. Are we getting any stream from this poker tourney? Not, we're gonna actually, I talked about the team with this, Soupy. We're actually gonna block you from it, but everybody else is gonna have free access to it. But we're gonna be blocking you from it specifically. Oh shit. Going band for band. Dude, I will race you for pink slips. Germinal pink slips, player. Traveling and career and kids, trying to dedicate more time on trading. This needs to happen. Giovanni, got you, Giovanni. Have you ever tried to get directions to your terminal, by the way, Lomanco? What you think NQ is going to do? Fuck if I know, man. It's a crapshoot. No, you know, the levels are working a real treat right now. Kind of crazy. They surprise me sometimes. The only thing I'm wondering is, like, if the S&Ps are going to break out at 420 blaze it and then go into the upper quadrant of 429. We'll see. Yeah, I've been struggling. Oh, by the way, we passed our funded seed account. So our funded seed accounts are all, I'm going to set these to copy now. Copy trading, bang, biggity, bang, biggity, bang. I was like, damn, those numbers are very close to each other. No, I was like, are these the same numbers? Wait, what is going on here? Hold on, I gotta switch this over. I have the right accounts, right? Okay. Copy trading. Okay, there we go. There we go, bang. Okay, cool. We are copy trading, baby. We're playing with power. All right, what are the rules on this? I think I get, let me see what my rules are. That's one of the things I always want to check is the rules. Okay, so these are one-step daily 50Ks. Check out the rules here. Okay, payouts, one-step 50K, one-step daily 50K. So I get 2 minis. 2 minis is the most I can use, and my buffer is $2,100. $2,100. Okay, that's it. That's all I needed to know. $2,100 is what I need to make to start withdrawing daily on these things. Sweet. New to Kit coming over from YouTube. Welcome, buddy. Thanks for being here, man. What do you think? Isn't it nice over here? Now we only need 163 people, and then we get 10,000 followers. That's a huge achievement. Crypto Server says, good morning, Ripsy. Happy to spend my birthday with the Ripsy family. 34 years young. Let's go, baby. Happy birthday. Give it up for Crypto Surfer. We're going to find the bookmap course he was talking about. It's not out yet. Are you going to trade again? Well, the market opens in 17 minutes. I would assume that we're going to get some favorable things to trade. I'm going to go back to my Lucid accounts here. I would assume that we're going to trade something. I have alpha futures to trade. Just hoping, like, with no news coming out today, we have existing home sales coming out at 10, but nobody gives a fuck about that. We have a 3-year note auction at 1. It's not going to move the markets. It's going to be a very lackluster news-driven day, so we're looking for breaking news headlines to knock the market out of balance. But, I mean, if you're looking at what we have here is just like a very wide, nasty range. This is gross. So we have a range of, thank you, Jesus. 175 points. We're in a 175 point range. It's fucking gross. Like, look at that. It's just like it's flatlining. It's garbage compared to what happened here. This huge expansion. Now we're distributing in this area. So pretty nasty. Trump tweets possibly. What do you use to copy trade? Built-in copy traders in TradeAvate, built-in copy traders in TradeC, built-in copy traders in Well Charts, built-in copy traders at your mom's house. Anything, everything. Use it all. Up $1,000 on a trade of 550K select eval. Let's go, baby. What platform is that? Is what? This is TradingView. This one is TradingView. TradingView using Rip's key levels, baby. That's what I'm using. Yeah, this market is just a trash bag right now. All right, I'll be right back again, and then we'll be back for the open. It's getting so light out now lately. Like, it gets light out so early, I should say. It's already fucking 74 degrees right now. It's fucking amazing. I want to get in my pool, man. Can you believe it? 74 is like the low today. High is going to be 103. I want to get in my fucking pool. I want to get in the pool, baby. It's, by the way, it's 6 o'clock in the morning here. I'm in Vegas. Rich, when you go back to a normal TradingView screen. All right, you guys pick. What would you prefer here? Better 1 or 2? Actually, you know what? You're right. You can see more in this screen. I'll leave this up for you. That's the cum dripping out of your mouth. Sorry. I'm an artist. Nah, man, I leave this up because we can see the price action. There's not much going on. The TA from today, brother. Look at this is the TA from today. We're in a 175 point range. That's the fucking TA from today. Gold moving? At least something is, right? Yeah, fucking gold. God damn it. Fuck. Jesus. Gold's going ape shit, man. All we had to do was just long gold today. Are you shitting me? Dude, you could be up 40 grand or 400 grand right now on 100 contracts. I don't know. I feel like people could be buying on metals because we're going to see equities dump today because equities are not reflecting what we're actually seeing in equities. You know what I mean? Dude, what a squeeze in gold, brother. Jesus. Previous week high is all the way up at 75. I mean, this is insane in gold, brother. In fucking insane. Isn't it crazy that silver is not even back to the current year mid yet? Nor is gold. Gold current year mid is 48.95. That's wild shit, bro. Well, gold is doing something. NASDAQ and S&Ps are not. Rips, I deposited 50K on IBKR, but they're terrible momentum. Yeah, why would you ever? No, don't do that. Wait, dude, no, stop it. Trade on AMP, brother. Trade on AMP, call up Edge Clear and be like, I got 50K that I'm ready to light on fire. Place me somewhere. Check copper. We're copper traders now. HG. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? Trapaholics. Want to leave my job and just follow you every day? Well, hey man, come move in. I got a whole guest wing in my house I barely ever go to. Just come fucking live with me. You asked, come on down. Come live with the Ripsy. I need to mute you. I picked my kids up from school. This show is family friendly, brother. I've never said a single thing that's inappropriate for children on this show one single time. I don't know what you're talking about. Ripsy, do you need a videographer? I'm actually hiring one right now. You're a legend for 100 contracts in gold. I wish I was fucking 100 long right now. That'd be amazing. Well, not right now. I wish I was 100 long from back here. Would have been a sick fucking day. Just from here, I'd be very happy. I mean, dude, what if we long from here, brother? Oh my God, $500,000? Dude, that's the thing about trading that drives me, well, I mean, it drives anybody kind of like a little bit crazy because you're always just like, dude, here's the thing. The next time that you hear somebody being like, bro, there's nobody, somebody said they made like $1 million in a week from trading. Like, brother, I want you guys to understand something. If you longed 100 contracts in gold and you took it to here, you understand that this is $500,000. There is liquidity to make that trade. Plenty of liquidity to make that trade. Oh, NZT, you got the fucking sick ass house. Like, there is so much money in trading. You guys don't even get that. There is so much money in trading. You guys, like, people, like, obviously all the little broccoli haired Zoomers. Dude, there's this fucking not broccoli hair, this fucking dude who wears a bandana. Fucking guy who's like, man, he's like 22 or 24 years old trying to tell you about his life struggles. And it's like, motherfucker, you're 24. Like, your balls just dropped. What are you talking about? Talking about your life struggles. Like, homie, you're still living with your mom. I was there the other night. I saw you. You came in. You're like, what is the noise? These fucking broccoli Zoomers need to stop. Talk about their life struggles at 24. Anyway, gold, if you long from here to here, that's $500,000, right? Let me make sure that that's what I'm saying. Oh, no, I'm sorry, $660,000. My bad. If you long from 5 o'clock this morning and you took it off at the top there, that's $845,000. Okay? That is $845,000 if you longed 100 contracts. That would change most people's lives. Dude, gold is still fucking going, dude. Unfucking believable. Somebody sent me the memo this morning. Baron didn't call me. He's like, hey, Ripsy, long some gold. Fucker didn't call me. But yeah, before you say like, you know, oh, by the way, trades by side. Dude, somebody uncovered some information from his past. That trades by side guy, he used to, like he was a rapper, like a rapper, and used to like buy Etsy jewelry. Buy like what is it? Cubic zirconia Etsy jewelry for like $7. And people were like, yeah, man. He like had a video. He's like, hi, I made $27 million in one trade on gold. Like, holy shit. The bar for intelligence is so low these days. But then again, like I said, there's people who like pay hundreds of dollars a month to listen to some 24-year-old person to regurgitate some shit that a crazy... Bro, now that I think about it, the trading space is so fucked. There's a guy that is claiming that he's made $27 million in one trade. All the while there are people that are 22 years old selling you for $100 a month or more Discord because some guy who claims that he got kidnapped by the market makers and God spoke to him and told him how the algorithm was coded, and there's one singular algorithm, taught them how to trade some boxes on their chart. Fuck, you guys are fucked. I'm sorry. You guys might be fucked. Everything I just said is true, by the way. You guys might be really fucked. Damn. I feel bad for people who just started trading within the last 5 years. You guys might be fucked. Holy shit. You guys might be fucked. That's insane, actually, when you say it out loud. Sad times. All right, market is still dancing. Who said that? Who said what, dude? What are you talking about? Who said what? I'm curious on Rip's thoughts on Ross Cameron. I love Ross Cameron. Ross Cameron's a fucking goat, dude. He's never traded paper on stream. Do you know what I mean? He trades real money. Yo, Pozo with the Finsky. What's up, baby girl? Thank you, Pozo. I appreciate you. Nah, Ross Cameron's a goat. Dude, we were talking about Ross Cameron one time, and somebody's like, he got convicted. It's like, brother, he got fined by the FTC. What are you fucking talking about? What did he get convicted of? Being too good at trading? What the fuck are you talking about? He got convicted. No, he didn't. He got fined by the FTC because they're a 3-letter dipshit agency ran by a bunch of pencil neck fucking retards. Because in his marketing, he said, I'm going to teach you how to make money trading. And can't say that. Got to have a fucking mile-long disclaimer if you say that. But hey, if we fucking say like, I got kidnapped by the market makers. And you're going to run $100 a month Discord, perfectly fine. But if you're like, hey man, I'm going to teach you how to trade and make money. Can't say that. Ooh. Who got kidnapped? ICT said that, you dipshit. You know that, Lido. Shut the fuck up. Go back to your hole. Go back to your hole, Lido. Katie, you are not punishing him enough. You need to be a better dom. Jesus Christ. What does your relationship look like, Katie and Lido? The hell? Put him back in his gimp suit and beat the shit out of him. Good Lord, Katie. I thought you were better at this. Unbelievable. The semantics between you and PW make me laugh. What are the semantics? I don't even know what the semantics. New Lido or old Lido? I don't know. It might be imposter Lido. You're Ross's liquidity. I mean, he doesn't tell you to follow him in trades. That's the thing, right? Like, that's the whole thing where it's like, oh man, Ross front runs his audience. Like, no, he demonstrates how to fucking trade. He can't control dipshits trying to tail him. Do you know what I mean? Like, he doesn't say like, all right, guys, I'm gonna fucking do this. You should do this too. You know what I mean? Like, it's not his problem that he's got a bunch of dipshits that want to fucking fade it or tail him. You know? What is it? Mr. 305. 916. 916 was 299. Are you out of your mind? It's the unders. All right, let's do a big one here. We're gonna do a big one. 946. You guys should have told me about this sooner. All right, 1 minute. Bang, bang, go. Poor Lido. Poor fucking Lido, man. All right, I'll probably trade my alpha. Let's see if we can. All right, copy group is selected. This is gonna be very dangerous, ladies and gentlemen. Very fucking dangerous here. Get ready for some price action to blow your mind. We got 30 seconds to Boomtown. The clock is right below my name up top there. That is the actual market clock. That is what I'm trading off of. If you are seeing that at a delay, watch the stream at 2x speed and catch up. I mean that. You lost all your channel points because you guys gotta be harder on those people. I can't help it. You guys gotta be harder on those people. I can't police the stream always. What would you suggest? Okay, here we go. Bing, bing, ding, 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 ding. All right, let's try to take it nice and calm here. Nice and calm, nice and calm. Marvel Slash, I'll read that in a second. We got a market to trade here. Markets to trade here. Markets are open. This is definitely some Monday order matching going on here. I want to avoid the order matching. Do we have any outliers in equities? Dude, equities are getting creamed. It's crazy. See, this is a very dangerous time to trade when equities are going straight down and equity index futures are going straight the fuck up. This is very scary. Like, Nvidia is pushing the entire market up right now. Just Nvidia, by the way. Yeah, Nvidia is the only one going up, and it's literally lifting the entire market. We're coming up to our next level here. I mean, if we were blindly playing around the levels, it's just the fucking equities are throwing me off. Okay, we're pushing up to the next level here. Let's see if we pull back at all. Okay, no pullbacks. I'm gonna try. That's a terrible fill, by the way. We're gonna try to go for these higher levels here. Terrible fill. I'm looking for these higher levels to trade. I want to try to ride this all the way through 400 if we can. Watching to add on pullbacks. Right now we're running into a little bit of traffic at 380 here. I want to try to add on pullbacks. A little bit of traffic at 380. Should be able to break through. Not liking that. Super traffic at 80s here. We should be able to bust through. Damn, they are holding these 80s super strong. I do not like that. Point of control move to 380 evens. We should be able to break through. There we go. Breaking through. And dude, I got to cover some of that because they're not pushing hard enough. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful trade there. In our funded accounts, about $3,600 in our funded there. We took the late short or the late long off of our level there. 354 up to 390. 390 was our level. If you're not using the Rips key levels to guide your trades, I ask you, what the French, Toast? Use the Rips key levels to guide you. I mean, fuck, they were good for almost 100 full puntos today if you just blindly followed them. I got caught offside by the equities, just kind of getting in the way. I'm gonna put those on ice though. That is day 2 in the books. We now have $24,000 of drawdown in our Alpha Futures accounts. $24,000 worth of drawdown. We are pushing again. Flip back into Lucid here. Potentially looking for a pullback and then a long. This market is going nuts. We just put new all-time highs in on the NASDAQ. Stop shorting it. To the level, my God, 426 tagged and bagged. My God. How does he fucking do it? That's 125 points to the fucking face. Oh my God. Dude, holy shit. I did not think that we would get it that accurate this morning. That is insane. Keep in mind, that level did not trade until now. How the fuck does that work? Explain that witchcraft to me. Unbelievable. Pulls back right on that level there. If you guys can help Chris Alley find the levels on my Instagram, I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'll make it very easy for you. Putting it on my story right now. Share to Instagram story. Okay, Instagram's freezing. I love that. Love that part when Instagram just fucking freezes. Instagram is so fucking broken sometimes. Okay, there we go. Want the levels. How many people are still trying to short this shit? Get out of here. Get out of town. Okay. My latest story has been posted. It has the join button for the levels. I'm going to next post my setup because people love when I post my trading setup. Dude, shout out to all 2,500 people that are tuned in right now. Well, actually, we have about 3,000 if we're including the people that are tuning in on X. We've been growing so rapidly lately. It's fucking awesome. I appreciate all you guys that are tuning in. God bless you all. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. What was I just gonna do? Fuck, what was I gonna do? Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah, please drop a thumbs up on the stream too. It does help the algorithm. We got 1,350 people watching over on YouTube. We got 1,200 people on Kick. We got 700 or so on X, I think. Let me see how many on X. 342? No. So we got about almost 3,000 people watching. Dude, unbelievable rejection. By the way, if you're wondering what the what the RIPS levels are, this is the rejection that you're missing right now. Look at that. This level has never been traded. And this is the pinpoint accuracy that you're getting with these levels. This is the pinpoint accuracy you're getting with these levels. This level has never traded ever in the history of the world. And somehow, some way, we found the exact level where it reverses before it ever happens. Explain that to me and explain why the fuck you're not using these levels. Also explain how fucking gracious I am to give you guys these for free. Absolutely for free. It's like, oh, well, the level, yeah. No, you can't explain it. You can't explain it. I'm sorry, but you can't explain it. That level has never traded in the history of the world, and that is the exact level that we're reversed on. Go to my Instagram story and watch my Instagram story. That's where they're available. Who here shorted that from the level? Free, by the way. Wait until there's somebody that's going to fucking take those levels and put them in their paid group. Can't wait for that. Oh, we found the levels. Fucking thieves. That's a pre-anticipatory. I know there's going to be people stealing those things from me because I give everything for free. Tried short when you said you were trying to short this. Yeah, I mean, I was talking about, like, you know, when we were going long, who would short this market? When we took it all the way up. It was my fault, though. Blame me. Dude, we got 7,700 people on Facebook now. We got the blue check mark on Facebook. We are moving, baby. We are dancing. Love it. Straight fucking dancing, baby. Still not available for me? What country are you in, Brian? Level to level again. Nice, badass McGruff, done for the day. Okay, Marvel Slash says, I used to think ICT was legit until I found you, Rips. You showed me how stupid I was to believe all that junk, and I'm now profitable because of everything you've taught the class. Thank you, Rips. Let's go. Give it up for Marvel Slash. Love you, pal. Yeah, bro. The ES levels are on there too. They're for free. Everything is for free. Go to my Instagram story, tap my face, click join channel. It's all free. Everything is free. Could not make it any easier. Hey, Reps, what would you suggest one should start trading if they want to trade using order flow? The order flow data we get on Motive Wave using numericals or should, I mean, time and sales is really all you need to trade. Time and sales in the DOM is all you need for order flow. But there's other tools that are going to make it easier to read, you know? I mean, here, again, I'll show you guys. I'm trying to make this so fucking easy. All right. Literally. Want the levels? Tap join channel from your phone. Literally. That's it. And how do you get there? You click my face. Click on my face. That's it. That's it. You get all the... You can see my whole life. All the time. Oh, look at this from yesterday. Oh my God. Oh my sweet Jesus. Oh my God, I'm gonna fucking come. Ah. Fucking Christ. Unbelievable. What did I miss here? What specs are you running on your computer setup? It is an Intel 285K, I believe. Let me see, system. What are we running here? Intel 285K Ultra 9. I'm overclocking at 5.5 gigs. I got 96 gigs of DDR5 running at 6400 mega transfers. I mean, I have multiple hard drives, not in a RAID array, but just for storage. What else would you like to know? I have a RTX 5900, I think is the best one. Rips, it triggers me when you post food comments that say sugar-free. We know that's not sugar-free. Wrong! Sugar-free every time. Every time. Always sugar-free, baby. Oh, 5090, thank you. This shows how long ago I built this computer. Over a year ago? Yeah, over a year ago. The only thing that pisses me off is that I didn't get it water cooled because they didn't have the water block. I was like one of the first 5090 owners. So, all right, we're coming back to that next level 54. We are showing some overhead supply coming in. Have you ever thought about being a radio DJ? You've got the voice for it. Thank you. Well, I am a streamer, which is kind of like, you know, the version of being a radio DJ today. I guess it's kind of the same. I didn't build this. I didn't build this PC. This is built by Origin PC, which is owned by the parent company Corsair. Corsair also owns Elgato, Origin, what else? Some other companies. But yeah, Origin PC, one of the best builds I've ever had. As far as quality, right? The quality of the build is absolutely insane. S&P is going for more here. S&Ps would love to see a lot more here. They're going for the all-time high. Crazy. Absolutely bonkers. We've been seeing this lately where we have a huge move and then we have a little bit of a distribution move and then we get another big move and then we kind of die out in volume. So there might be one more really nice opportunity cooking up here. We are holding above 354.25 in the NASDAQ. So if we continue to hold that price, I could see us potentially breaking back above 390 into 400. But if we do break and retest 354.25 to the downside, there might be a nice trade, about 40 points worth down to 301. So those are the two scenarios I'm looking out for. Right now, we're showing the former. When will you go short when it breaks 301? Well, if we had a break and retest at 354.25, that would have been a nice short break and retest. But you know, we're trading the former scenario, which was holding at 354, trading up to 390. So I guarantee you, drop a W in chat if there's somebody that took that exact trade. I'm just waiting. I'm trying to be more patient, but drop a W if you took 54s to 90s. Another very clean setup there. There was somebody who was waiting for longs there because we broke and retest 354 to the long size. We broke and we hold and we broke and we hold and then straight up 354. That's why the levels work so well. Because if you're sitting on one side of the fence, you don't have to take a trade until it proves to you that you should be in that trade. In this case, I'm answering questions. I'm talking. I'm not taking that trade because I'm not sitting there like, okay, I'm ready. I'm looking for longs. You got to be very precise for that. Okay, gamble points. What are we at? Nickels. Hey, Nickels. What did we do here? Up or down, buddy? Oh, dude, fuck off. You're going to put yourself in the box of shame. What fucking time does the payout say, Nickels? Hey, Nickels! I'm talking to you, not pennies. Nickels. What time does it say we pay out the channel gambles here, Nickels? Talk to me. What time does it say? And then check your watch. I'm literally yelling at a grandfather. He's a grandfather to two grandchildren. I'm yelling at him right now. Rips yells at the elderly too? I love him. Oh, fuck. 54, by the way, trading through 390. Dude, no, I swear to God, Katie Nichols is probably one of the most dope grandfathers in here because he's like, I'll talk shit to somebody. He's like, hey, Rips, did you fuck his mom? I swear to God, dude. I swear to God, he's done this before. He's like, yeah, Rips, but did you fuck his mom? He's so funny, dude. He cracks me up. Holy shit, I love it. He's so funny, dude. I just can't imagine. Like, I wish my grandfather was that type of man. Yeah, S&Ps have been non-stop since this morning. Non-fucking stop. Is Apple going? No. Bro, fucking Amazon and Nvidia. Dude, thank you, Nvidia. Let's fucking go, baby. Oh, God. We're fucking way back, baby. It was so annoying when we traded back below 200. I was like, come on, dude. What are we doing? I didn't add any more to my leaps, but I'm like, what are we doing? And now we're just boner candle Randall, dude. By the way, the best time to add to your leaps is on the opposite trend of whatever you have. So, I mean, I'm assuming that if you're trading leaps, you have calls, but some fucking weirdos have puts and leaps because you don't believe in the U.S. economy. But the best time to add to your leaps is on pullbacks when the Greeks start to flip a little bit. How the fuck do I gamble my points? Well, if Ripsmod was doing their job, he would tell you, but fuck, can't pay that guy enough to do his job. Sorry, do not find the levels link. Can you copy it here? You have to go to Instagram.com/Rips. Again, I don't know. Ripsmod is fucking taking a damn break right now. David, are you already in there, David, by the way? Oh, Ripsmod, you're doing your job. Thanks. Good to see you, buddy. Rips, are you smoking darts? Are you ripping darts over there again? Ripsmod works like it's in a damn... Dude, I'm telling you, there is no union, but Ripsmod literally makes a case. I have to check Ripsmod contract. I'm like, he's not... There's no union in his contract. What the fuck is this guy doing? Fucking 3 dart breaks an hour? Jesus. Oh, man. Ripsmod is just literally out there chain smoking. Like, fucking chat, shut up. Shut up. You gamble your points when Rips announces it. Thanks, Ripspot. Really insightful there. Thank you so much. They're all going to figure it out from that sentence. Thank you, bro. Really bending over backwards here. Holy shit. Take it easy. Dude, don't work too hard, Ripspot. I love yelling at Ripspot. It's like the highlight of my day. It's so funny. And then Ripsmod starts to go on tilt. You think I have an anger problem? Look at Ripsmod. Ripsmod goes on tilt and starts spamming paragraphs, walls of text. Thanks, Ripsmod. Thanks so much for spamming walls of text. Ripsmod is like shaking right now. But yeah, Jack, if you want to join, go to Instagram.com/ripstrades. Click on my face. My story pops up. Watch my story. There's a story that says join channel. You have to do it from your phone though. Once again, we're pulling back to the Ripsy levels here, 390. Pulling back and holding. So we are breaking under. Can we reclaim 390s here? I'm trying one contract long at our level. I'm going to have a very tight stop loss here. If we reclaim 390, I want to add to this. If we stop out, we stop out. My stop is at 6.7, by the way, 6.7. 6.7 is where my stop is. Bang, stopped out. So we were trying to use a little bit of a preemptive break and retest at 390. I was trying to front run the 390 level. Trading ones right now, one single contract. First pullback in S&Ps. We're back in long. I want to use 5.4 as our backstop here. Trying to trade this back up to the 90s now. Looking for that reclaim higher. S&Ps are pushing still. If we can pull back to like 65 again, I want to add to that. But right now we're pushing. We're showing a lot of pressure. See if we pull back to 54 at all. Right now, holding at 80s. If we break above 80s, there's gonna be a lot of stops displacing us higher. Looking for all-time highs as well on the S&Ps here. Some order flow is shifting right now. Adding one right there at 70s. And I'll add again if we get to 54 evens. Adding right here at 54 evens. Getting clobbered though. Nice pull back to 54, adding again. Can we hold at 54? Huge fucking seller there. Massive, massive seller. Let's see if we hold 54, break and retest. Watching. Okay, we're holding 54s. We just need to hold and perch a little bit higher here. If we can reclaim that 70, we're gold. Watching here. Looking for the reclaim higher. That was a massive pullback into buyers too. Looking for 54 to hold. Fucking stopped out. I forgot we have a 3K loss limit. I thought we'd have another 2K worth of drawdown on these things. These are the Lucid Pro accounts. Still in evaluation. I honestly think that we're going to be holding here. I honestly think we're going to be holding. Yeah, fuck, we stopped out. I honestly think that we're going to hold here and we're going to return higher. What can I actually trade these in? Let me see. We can put these in funded seat with 2 contracts. Okay, I'm back long here in funded seat. I like this look. I really do. I really like this look. Holding above 54 here. I love this look. That selling was like out of nowhere too, but we sold into huge buyers. I'm guessing NVIDIA pulled back a little bit here. Barely. It is in the process of pulling back, but I still like this look. I really do. You see how many buyers we have here as we are pulling back too? See how long we can hold this for. Looking for 54 to continue to hold here. And then a reclaim of 80s to the north side. We're fighting, we're fighting. We should see this pop and reclaim above 75 when we get there. Like a huge pop through 75. They're still selling into this, and it's huge bidders that we're selling into, though. Massive, massive bids here. A little bit of pressure here through 54. Huge bids still, huge bids. They're pressuring 50s now. Stopped out there. Taking a loss, $1,000. The order flow is shifting underneath 54, and we are finding a little bit of buying strength underneath. But we have to be patient and wait, I think, for 301. If we roll down to 301, there is a chance that we can have this really start to pop. We are seeing a pullback in NVIDIA from the highs of 221, which was the strength. Dude, I want to take this in. Here. I don't buy this selling at all. Because once we reverse all of these sellers, like there's so much bid activity built up down here that this thing is just going to rocket. That's my call on this, at least. We're pulling back to 29 as well. All right, I'm long here. I'm long. I'm long in this again. Valid above 301 still. Want to see this pushing back up a little bit higher, and then a reclaim above 335. We're holding at 29 halves for the time being. You can see here, like, the sellers are trying to take control, but there's so many bids that keep shaping up here. As long as we break above one of these offers, we should see this start to kick out a lot of these early sellers. I want to go for a big one on this one. Okay, watching here. Holding those 30s now. Should see this perk up a little bit more. Bouncing at those 30s. Looking for that reclaim higher through these offers. Should give us a nice move here. Holding 20s. Looking for 301 still. Popping those 20s now. Watching for the clear out back above 35. I'm going for a bigger trade here, but I'm wondering if we should be scalpy on the way up. I'm going for a much bigger trade here. They fucking killed that at 30s. Fuck. I'm looking for that resolution back into 50s, but they might bring it back down to 301 first. There was a huge seller in S&Ps there that kind of got in the way of what the trade idea is that I'm going for here. We should have that little pop through 25. They should be able to pressure that player at the S&Ps at 30s as well. Okay, big shift here. Watching 30s now. Watching for the 30s to carry us through 45. They keep pressuring this one area of price. Should be able to send this though. Okay, watching for this pop through 45. Okay. Watching now. Looking for 45s to trade. There's our 42. Not giving us 45 though. Stopped out. Okay, that's 9,000 bucks there. We have to take those points. I'm looking for the bigger trade back up to 90s, but they're gonna be patient and wait, I guess. It's definitely a little bit more touch and go when you're trading through the levels like that. Yeah, dude, I mean, fuck, we're really like, I don't know why we're deciding to battle upstream. You can wait for that 301 and 3/4, but fuck, man, I wanted to be early to that because I'm just seeing that go to 390 in my head. I think we will trade 390 again at some point. There's that 301 and 3/4 though. Big pullback to that level. We could have just taken it short. I don't know why I'm trying to fight upstream. All right, sales are coming out here in 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Yeah, there's a lot of sellers trying to hold it down. It's fucking annoying as shit. We're bouncing at both levels. 29 can't speak. 29 halves and 301 and 3/4. Uh, 4.02 versus 4.05. Who cares? Yeah, 301. God, I should have just waited for fucking 301. I really didn't think, bro, when we were trading here, I'm like, there's no way we're going to trade 301. I got to take this to 390. That's fucking insane, though. God, I need to just trust and believe that the patience rate there could have made me at least like fucking 20 grand on that trade. It's fine. We're up 9. Fuck. That was such a perfect rejection of the level on both accounts, too. Just need to fucking wait, dude. 01 to 40, 39 handles of fucking juice. So nice, dude. I just couldn't be patient, bro. When we're fucking trading down like this, I'm like, there's no way that we're gonna fucking flush 301s. And then we hit 301 on the ticket and then straight it back up. So annoying, bro. So annoying. I really, really wanted that one too. Impatience, impatience. That's right, I can't be mad. We have 30K worth of drawdown in this account now. 30,000. 30,000. Nvidia bouncing again. Google, Meta, Microsoft, everything's starting to turn back up. There's the fucking bounce. What? Straight to 54.25. Anybody catch that 301 and 354? That was the one to take. Dude, those sellers were so aggressive in this poll. And all of these were just straight buyers, buying, like all this liquidity right here, just buy. No, dude, we have clean volume right now, especially through 10 a.m. when we have news. That was the fucking best trade of the day, though. That 301 to 354 was the best setup of the fucking day. I mean, given 426 flushing was nice too, but like that was basically in this time frame, that was the best fucking trade. That was it. 301 and 3/4 up to 354/4 was the best fucking setup. I just couldn't be patient enough. I could have made so much more on that. So annoying. Get my own way sometimes. Nice work, Antigua. Let's go. Done for the day? Let's go, baby. Best alpha plan? I use the advanced. That's what I'm trading right now. 30K worth of drawdown right now in my funded. Here, look. I'll show you. This is what we have in our funded. 30K worth of drawdown. 3 accounts. I have $30,000. It's like in a real fucking account now, you know? $30,000 worth of drawdown is insane. And we are locked right now in the books. We have day 2 in the books. We only need 3 more trading days. So technically Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I could get a payout on Thursday. Up 5,500 on the daily payouts. I'm going to call it a day. Let's go, Pozo. That's what I'm talking about. Very, very nice. Yeah, so we got stopped in our Lucid Pro evals. We got stopped out in our funded accounts that are halfway down right now. We were just too early on those. I thought with 2 contracts we could withstand the pullback, but obviously can't withstand that all the way to 301. Who won the channel points? Let's see. 946. It was 403, so overs absolutely smash. Let's do another one. All right, there you go. Channel points are live. I mean, that was just like, if you waited for the level, I just did not see it, dude. I was hungry eyes right here. I'm like, fuck, it's never gonna fucking dump that much, because all these, dude, this candle right here, look at how many buyers are, look at how many people were buying on this candle down. This right here, I'm like, okay, that's gonna be where we're fucking picking up. And I should have just waited for the level. Trading between levels is probably the most dangerous thing you can do. But I was prepared to be scalpy, which is why we ended up green on the alpha funded accounts. The funded accounts are the ones we care about. Nice, Billy Joe, 10 months. Up $2,900 on my Tradeify Select account. Fuck yeah, let's go, Kevin. That's what I'm talking about. Good shit, brother. Good comms. Good comms. Good fucking comms, baby. What the fuck is channel points? It's over on kick.com/rips. You get... So let me show you. If you are on Kick, there is these channel point predictions right here. See all these cool little balls? People are gambling their channel points. And what can you get with your channel points? You can go in the channel points store, which is right here. This is the channel point store, and there's all this shit available. So like, you can get a 2025 SF90 Spider, you can get a 150K Tradeify Lightning account, 50K Lucid Flex, 50K Lucid Pro. Like, there's just a bunch of shit available to you. And it's completely free. There's no ads on Kick. 0 ads on Kick. By the way, break and retest of 54 quarters for the long side there. David, I already asked you, are you already in there? Have you been in there before or no? Have you ever been in there, David? Okay, what's your name on Instagram or Twitter, please? Your name on Instagram or Twitter? Insta. Okay. Try your same name. David Win 99. You don't follow me? What's your name on Instagram, bro? If it's David Win 99, you don't follow me, I can't send you a message. So. Okay, so just for future reference, your name is David.Winsor. The O is with a 0. Just so you know. In the future. There you go. All right, who else redeemed something today in the Channel Point store? Let's see. Let me see. Lucid Pro Eval, same IG name. Okay, that works. Wait, what is this? Elf Frank. The fuck is your name? Can't even see it. Okay, there we go. Got you. What did you get? You got a 50K Lucid Pro. Got you, baby. Lucid Pro, 50K. There you go. You're all set. Who else? What did I miss? Blue NQ. I feel like you've been in there before. No? Blue NQ. No. What's your name on Instagram or Twitter, Blue NQ? What's your name on Instagram or Twitter, please? Wow, that is quite the Instagram name. Okay. There you go. You're all set. Who else? Apex Eval. Hungry Traders, are you here? Hey, Rips, what's the best way? If we're talking about going to Jersey Mike's, I think the best way is usually Mike's way. Is that what we're talking about? You literally, Jeff, you type it in just how you type me that sentence. I don't think Hungry Traders is here. Who else? I think that's it. That's all the channel point redemptions right now. That's it. Yeah, if you have a delay on Kick, there's a button you can click that says live. It'll catch you up to the live stream. If you don't have that selected, then you know. Alpha's back to 10% off, by the way. They're not a discount firm, just letting you guys know. If your delay is 17 seconds, change your watch speed to 2x and you'll catch up. Thanks for the levels locked out for the day. Let's go, funky player. Yes, sir. Rips, do you ever remove a level? Yeah, of course. Of course. What kind of question is that? $2X will take a minute to get there. Just reload the page. Yeah, reload the page and click live. That's usually what you want to do. By the way, we are 169? Yo. 100, no, damn it, 159. We missed the joke. 159 away from 10,000 followers on Kick. Come on, baby, let's go. We're so close on Kick to getting 10,000 followers on Kick. It's so fucking close. Let's see. The channel points gamble will be paying out in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes, baby. LFG on 3K follows? 3K follows on what? Hey, Rips, I'm new to trading. Are the levels you post on the gram the same as the ones shown in your indicator? No. No. Not even close. The ones on the indicator are shaped by what's happening in the market. For instance, like the weekly open, the previous 4-hour low. They're dynamic. They're constantly changing and shifting. The levels that I provide are very specific levels that the market tends to respect very, very well. Like if we were just patient today, I'd be up $1 billion, dude. Fuck, it's so annoying. If I would have just waited to 301 and then held that to 390, we would be up like max profit right now on these fucking accounts. It's so annoying. Did anybody do that? Did anybody in here hold 301 to 390, by the way? Because that's fucking insane. It's so annoying. I just need to trust. You did, Bear? Nice. You guys did? Fuck. God, you guys are insane. That's all I had to do was just fucking hold 30. Dude, I should have just waited for 301 and just held it. You did to the 70s? That's nice, dude. Why not wait for the Ripsy level, dude? Nice work, Jeff. You got stopped out, dude. I mean, I made my nut on this because I was fucking fighting upstream the whole time instead of just using the levels. Stupid. I started to turn my brain on. My brain did the retarded thing. Instead of waiting for my exact level to the tick. Dude, was that the exact... Oh, hold on. I gotta see. So my level is 301 3/4. It pulled down to 300. So I missed it by 1 point, right? The level missed it by 1 point. I got in early. Right? I got in here because I'm like... I got in right here instead of waiting till here. If I would have waited till here, we have this level all the way up to this level, 390. That's 90 points of alpha. If I traded 90 points on just 5 contracts, that'd be $9,000 per account. I'd be up $27,000 real money right now. Stupid. Ripsy, how do you play TPT instead of day funded? How do you play TPT instead of day funded? I don't know what that question means. I'm sorry. I'm down 186 today. Let's see. Got to see how the weekend's. I would suggest that you get on Instagram, put these levels into your chart immediately, and let them just guide your trade. I got in front of them. That was the dumbest thing ever. But like, dude, even on the S&Ps right now, we're holding 29 halves. This is just a beautiful thing. It's like perfect. I announced the exact 304 level for entry. It was the retest from a fair value gap in 5-minute time frame. Well, you were further away from the actual level than my levels were, if that makes sense. You were literally further away, so that's why ICT sucks dick and my levels are goated. Rips, appreciate the streams, bro. I took longs with you, 1 con at each support level down to 301 with a stop loss at 280. Took some heat, but up 975 times 5 accounts. Have to head out. We'll see you tomorrow, as always. Nice work, Straight G. He's up 5K today. What's your win percentage today? I see you're still green with losses and 20% hit rate, but green as well. Yeah, I over leveraged on one of my trades, but it could have been way better. If I would have just been patient, waited for our level 301, then yeah. I only want levels if I have to pay for it. Yeah, I feel like honestly, more people would be juiced about them if they cost money. They'd be like, oh yeah, it's that whole perceived value thing. Oh yeah, now I'm gonna have these. Dude, look at that. Just smack the level in the S&Ps too. Fucking insane. Can I turn in my points for a stake at Golden Steer? No, not allowed. Ribs, if you were to learn how to trade from the beginning again, where would you start? Time and sales, charting, visible range volume profile, depth of market. That's it. Keep it simple. We're gonna smack 426 again, huh? Oh, I'm sick. I'm sick, dude. Could be up so much right now. It's so fucking tilting. Just passed my first 3 alpha advanced accounts with that level tap and rejection. Nice fucking work. What, 390, right? I was gonna take it too, bro, but I'm like, you should just be done. I was literally gonna take it too, bro. Ah, I'm sick. I was literally gonna take it too. I finally found the levels on Instagram. Where were you looking before? Because if you tell me where you were looking before, then it will help me. Where were you looking before? I'm actually curious where you were looking before. Okay, be right back. All right, we're back, baby. Sorry about that. My detailers just got here. They're detailing my car right now. Well, my car is. They can't do wifey's car because she's going to her personal training class. What do you know? How we doing, champs? We killing it or what? Am I still gonna trade? I don't know. Volume has very much declined. Here's one of the things that I want you guys to pay attention to in your trading specifically. I want to show you this. Fuck. How do I do this? Okay, perfect. So, do you see down here? Trend lines work in volume too, but look at this. Do you see that? How we're just like in a huge decline? Obviously, even if you bring it down like 3 minutes after that or 15 minutes after that, you see that? How we're just in a steady decline of volume. We don't have any news coming out today, so it's probably a safe time to lock it up. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense to you folks out there, where it's like, okay, when do I know when it's time to stop trading? When you see volume decline like that, you're either waiting for a wick up in volume and then maybe looking for one more trade. But when you have volume steadily declining like that, it's probably a good time to think about locking it up, especially after we get after the 10 a.m. hour, right? The 10 a.m. hour is kind of, you know, either we're going to see more trades or it's just going to kind of die out there. Not enough juice to stay out of the range. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly right. Kib Q DMing me, bothering me, says, are the today's IG levels missing from today's MC morning memo, or are they some even other types of levels, or am I tripping? Okay, Cube Q, here's what I'm gonna need from you. Number one, shut the fuck up. Number two, open your fucking eyes. Brother, what? Jesus. After the next channel point payout, I'm out. Solid day with the Rips key levels. Hit target on all Lucid accounts. 5 of them. Let's go. Hold on, let me see. See if you're right. I haven't even looked. Brother, you're high on drugs. You're literally fucking high on drugs, bro. Literally high on drugs. Some of the messages I get, dude, I got another message today from somebody else. They're like, dude, my Discord's broken. And I'm like, no, it's not. I'm gonna show you. And it's like, huh? A few of today's IG levels are missing from the memo, bro. Okay, really? Which one, dipshit? Which one? Let's start here. Ready? Which one? Name one of the levels and I'll pay you a fucking $100,000. Go. Go. I dare you. Go. Let's see it. Name one level. One. I'll give you 100 grand if you're right, dude. $100,000. Name one level that's different. Go. One level, dude. One. Name one. One single level. Ready, go. Come on, Cube Q. You got this, buddy. Don't fumble the ball. It's $100,000. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Oh, weird. Oh, weird. Imagine fucking bothering me about that shit. Next time you're gonna DM me, just be like, Rips, I'm supremely retarded. I just wanted to let you know there's drool coming out of my mouth right now. Do you have a helmet I can borrow? I keep running into the wall. And I'll say, fuck you, Cube Q. Love you, pal. Oh, man. Wow, we are fucking selling now. There's your volume spike, by the way. You remember, we were just talking about this. Volume declining. Look for a spike in volume. Watch. I'll show you right here. So this is what we're prior tracking, right? Look at that. Spike out of the range. Now we can look for possible levels to trade. Window licking, crayon chewing, extra chromosome mass. Yeah, I like that one. That's a good one. I like that one. I like that. I like that. What happened? No idea. Somebody leaned on the sell button a little bit too fucking hard. We missed the trade from 390 because we were dealing with Cube Q being like, We We would have caught the trade, but, you know, it was all QQ's fault. It's never me, obviously. Best trader in the world here. Dude, Brian Johnson with the gold house. Here we come, coming down straight to 301 and 3/4. What's going to happen to 301 and 3/4? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 301 and 3/4. What's selling off here? Nvidia slightly. Huh. Bouncing at 301 and 3/4. Huh. Do we fuck ourselves and just like get loose on our funded accounts now? What do you guys think? Do we get crazy on our funded accounts now? They're pushing into that 300s level, that 301. Nice PNC there, back to 301. I'm gonna try that here. Wowzers, that was a horrible fill. That was a terrible fill. I want to see this breaking lower and holding this break lower, but chances are we're not going to get there. That was a fucking awful fill, brother. Ah! God, that was so bad. That fill was so dog shit. God damn it. Okay, holding at 301. So annoying. So annoying! God, that fill was such dog shit. God. All right, let's see if we get this 301 again. Back at 301, holding for this push lower. Looking for 290s to trade. Let's see if we can hold this 301 push now. Holding, holding, holding. Not like this. Not like this. Not like this. Still holding, still holding. Wow. Dude, 301s are a fucking treat right now. Okay, watching. We need to break through 290. We need to hold that break through 290. Looking for that hold. Watching for the, oh my God. Watching for this break to hold below 301. Let's see if we can get there, champs. Looking for that break to hold below 301. Can we hold that break of 3? Yep. That's the one I'm looking for. Bang, got him. Woo! Ha! That's the juice. Thank fucking God. What a terrible fill on the outs, too. I hate you, Trade-O-Bait. You suck dick. What a terrible slip on the outs. God. Terrible, terrible slip on the outs. 301, baby. Give me that 301 juice. I fucking love it. Break and retest 301. Let's go. Terrible fills on the first try, but fucking take it. Bang. Okay, so we're up 12,000. We got $32,000 worth of drawdown in these accounts now. $32,000. That was such a fucking goddamn over-pushed effort for what we needed to get on that. It's so annoying. How many people caught that? Drop a W in chat. Drop a dubs in chat. Drop a dubs in chat if you caught that fucking little break in Schmeckleberry. I love to see it, champs. Oh, baby. We had to work way too fucking hard for that one, I tell you. Way too fucking hard. I was sick, though. That was like a 50 handle candle Randall right there. $3K worth of W's. I love it. I fucking love it. Fucking love it. Rips. I'm new here. Is your Rips key levels available on Trade-O-Bait? No. Only available on TradingView. But my Rips levels, the levels that I provide every single day, are available for free on my Instagram. Every day. Could you elucidate more on volume declines? I mean, what would you like to know? You wait for their, look. we're talking about when it's time to leave the market alone, right? We're saying like, okay, from here to here was the trend, right? Right there was the trend. When you start to get interested in trading the market again is when you see this activity right here. And that's when we got interested in trading the markets again. And you just be patient. We use the level to guide us. Picked up another $3,000 on the trade across our funded accounts. We have so much fucking drawdown in these accounts now. It's unbelievable. So much fucking drawdown, dude. I know it's at the levels, guys. I see that. Is there a RIPS indicator? Do we have to mark the levels? I'm a busy guy. No. If you're too busy, I can actually come over to your mom's house and start marking them off for you. If you want. How'd you know to go short there? We use the RIPS levels that are available for free on Instagram. If you join my Instagram private group, it's free. Completely for free. There's no catch. I'll show you how to join. You go to my profile page, which is this, Instagram.com/RipsTrades. You click my face and you go to my story. Did anybody see the Easter egg in this, by the way? Nobody saw the Easter egg in that? Right here. Want the levels? Tap join channel from your phone. Right there. Tap that button from your phone. That's it. That's how we did it, Davis. Can you only have 5 Apex accounts at a time? No, you can have 20 Apex accounts at once. I'm trading the 50K one-step daily accounts, but dude, 50K might be too small for me. I fucking... Man, what a sick fucking rejection of 262 3/4 that was. Fuck. Bro, this range bound market, if you are playing on the RIPS levels with the higher time frames, like, holy shit, bro. This is so goated actually today. Now I'm looking at hindsight. Holy shit, bro. If you're just using the levels, oh my God. Just blindly use them and have tight enough stops that make sense and you're fucking golden, brother. You're fucking golden, dude. Call me a pleb, but how do I determine which direction I'm aiming for at these levels? Break and retest, 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 break and retest. Break and retest. Break and retest. Break and retest. That's it. Break and retest. That fucking simple. If you can be patient enough for break and retest today, you would be so fucking green, it's not even funny. Tell me I'm lying, by the way. Break and retest, literally, would be, you would be passing every fucking account right now. Like literally, I'm not even playing with you guys. If you traded only break and retest using the RIPS levels on NQ today, you would be so fucking green. It's unbelievable, actually. Looking at this in hindsight is kind of a fucking joke. It's kind of fucking ridiculous. Dude, did we really just do that? Oh my God. That's insane. Stop. It pulled back to 302 halves. Our level is 301 3/4, and it pulled back and it fucking bounced. Unfucking real, dude. JYO, if you suck at trading sideways action, go on my Instagram, get the levels, they're free, add them to your chart, and look at what I'm talking about. Break and retest is everything today. Liability Bull said, went negative 1600 to break even with RIPS levels. Bang. See? They're fucking free, baby. They're free. They're free. I'm like, if I charge for them, you'd probably think they're very, 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 very fucking valuable, but we don't need to charge. They're free. Watch, it's gonna hit 354 1/4. Dude, this is gonna be fucking insane. What did it hit? What was the high? 350 1/4. Crazy. Not on Insta Rips. Any other ways of getting them? No. Insta's free though, dude. You can join Insta with one tap with a Google account. It's a one tap thing. Do 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 do. Boo 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 boo. The real strat is the levels and the cards. I know, bro. The cards are fucking insane too, huh? Was Rips Braun in the late 60s? Was I born in the late 60s? I don't even know if my mom was, dog. Can't find your indicator, bro. Okay, check this out. Watch this. Wait for it. Wait for it. Bang! Click that link. Bang! Watch this. I'll do it. I'll do it with you in chat right now. Watch this. See the link? Watch me click it. Bang! Look at that. Ribs key levels. Bang! Click the fucking. Get the rocket ship. Click the rocket ship. Oh my God! It did it again, guys. Oh my God! It did it again. 54 and a quarter. You guys were doubting it too. You guys are like, nah, it's not. No, it's not gonna hit 54 and a quarter. Yeah, it fucking did. Are you shitting me? These levels are unreal. How are they free? It's insane. Knock it off. Jeez. The only way to trade the levels is break and retest. Well, you can do what I did, which is try to fucking trade in between the levels and get your ass handed to you like a fucking retard. That's what I did. I traded like a goddamn retard today. Literally. And I still made money, but like, fuck. My best trades were the ones where I was patient. Believe me. Like, you saw it. You're like, okay, 301. He's shorting 301. I say shorting 301. He's shorting 301. Oh, there it goes. That was that was the 301 short. That was fucking goated, bro. That was so sick. Been watching all of your old streams. Way less screaming. Felt so nice. You don't like the new streams where I'm screaming every day? That's funny. Now question is, do we get the 390s? If we break and retest 354, right now 354s are holding, right? Joe Rips is a vibe, brother. Joe Rips is fucking vibey, dog. Vibey player. Dude, isn't it crazy that the Rips level is fucking VWAP right now? Holy shit, brother. Body control VWAP, dude. Fuck. That's insane, brother. Insane. Insane, brother. Rips, can you explain how you're coming up with these levels? No, I never say. I never will say either. They're just, you know, brother, just use them or don't. And if you do use them, great, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it's, if you want to know, my friend is Oz Perlman. Rips, the indicator is locked. How can I get access? What are you talking about? What are you guys talking about, man? The indicator is locked. What are you talking about, bro? The indicator is locked. What are you talking about? Use on chart. What are you talking about, brother? You guys are killing me on this shit, bro. Kashi says, finally I can see the levels. Where could you not see them before? Nice work, Z-Rama. You guys are killing it, man. You guys are so funny. Dude. Yes, that was a break and retest for the long at 54 quarters. Yes, yes, yes. IG still won't let me join the Rips Nation for the levels. Are you serious? Dude, there's another Ryan. Maybe they're against Ryans. They have a vendetta against Ryans or something. There's so many levels on it. Which ones are you primarily looking at? For the which one? The Rips key level? I use all of them, to be honest. I use all of them. Hey Rips, I made an empty static indicator that I copy paste the levels, automatically populates the chart. Awesome and fast. Cheers. Let's go, Mr. World. Yeah, somebody created one of those too. There's a bunch of, dude, they're so funny. There's like so many of them floating around because these levels are very popular. And I've been doing these levels for like 3 years now. And they're fucking witchcraft. Yo, Yama, let's fucking go. Qualified. Yo, Yama, let's go, baby. Is that you sitting over there with $2,100 of drawdown, or are you just happy to see me? Is that you sitting over there with fucking... Yeah, I see you. I see you. Do we have to rub Buddha's belly for the levels? Nope. You literally just have to click the Instagram button. That's it. I make it so fucking easy, baby. They work for every session, JKM. They work for every session. If you just put them in your chart, you just trust me. You put them on your chart, you'll be like, what? Damn, Buddha the Bull wants to get rubbed right now. Can't click on the link of your IG story. Where are you trying from, K-Trades 27? What are you using to try to click? Try it on desktop and phone? What happens if you click on it on your phone? Nice work, JKM. I know, that's the thing, is like people use them for the first time. They're like, wait, this is all I had to do? Wait, tell me these work during Asian session too, please. It's like, yeah, they do. And it's like, what? What have I been doing with my life? Just goes to the next story. Okay, tell you what. Here's the other way you can join. You ready? Check this out, bruh. Check this out. If you go to my profile, what happens if you do this? Who was that in chat that said they can't do it? Okay, so what happens? This is some like fucking Mayan Burning Man music right now. Okay, what happens if you go to my profile and you try to click on this button right here? What happens if you do that? What happens if you try to go to my profile and click on that? What happens? By the way, almost 390. Almost 390 there. On the break and retest at 54 and quarters. Crazy, huh? I don't see that button. Yeah, I mean, I would upgrade your Instagram app then. Might be for brand new followers. Maybe. Maybe they're trying to gatekeep my group. Maybe Mark Zuckerberg is mad that we're giving out the levels for free and he's trying to gatekeep people. Mark Zuckerberg is probably like, his son is just turned like 3 years old, so he started an Instagram group because he's a professional trader now. That's what it is, bro. Mark Zuckerberg's kid is 3 years old, so he's starting to teach ICT to people. He just turned 3. He started a Discord group. He's teaching ICT to people. He has a couple broccoli curls, so he's not a full head of broccoli yet, but he's just sprouting a couple curls. So Mark Zuckerberg is gatekeeping so his son that's 3 years old can sell Discord subs to you. We figured it out. Got to the bottom of it. I knew it was something. God damn it. By the way, 3 years old is twice as old as the average ICT trader that is teaching with a Discord. I don't know if you knew that. Twice the average age of your average broccoli-haired influencer teaching ICT. Can't keep his name out of your mouth, Lamau. Oh my God, we triggered somebody. We triggered an ICT trader. How's the dick taste? Well, here's the thing, my friend. I appreciate you, number one, for tuning in. Number two, I was the person who bullied ICT so hard last year because he quit X because of me and then blocked me because he was like, who wants to fucking come at me? Let's trade an AMP account. I'll put 100K in it. Blah, 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 blah. Right? And I was like, hey, ICT, I already put 100K in an AMP account. I'm up $2 million this year. I've been sharing my broker statement every single day. Every single day I've been posting my broker statement. He tried to do the same and he lost all of his YouTube revenue for the year, rage quit on X, and then blocked me. So how does the dick taste? I wouldn't know. I would then ask you, how does ICT's dick taste? I wouldn't know because he's been slurping on Ripsy's dick. He's been slurping on my nuts, Playboy. I don't know if you knew this, but every single trade that I took last year, Lord DPX, is available for free to watch. And I traded an account from $100,000 all the way to $3 million in profits, sharing the trades every single day, live and in real time. You can watch all of those streams for free. So if you want to learn how to a real trader manages real risk in the market, not paper trading, not trading view paper, right? Dude, I swear to God, this is a fucking full-blown real deal story. I talked about it last year. There's a part of the stream too where I talk about it for a couple weeks where I'm like, this fucking dickbag is like, hey, does anybody want to challenge me here? Let me find the fucking tweet. I'm blocked though, so I don't know if the search function works. It's fucking hilarious. The guy's a fucking loser. By the way, here's the thing. If I was like, oh yeah, ICT is great, he would have fucking lifted me up. Here's the thing about ICT. The only people that he spotlights are people that are either preaching the gospel of ICT or people who are really bad at trading. Those are the only two types of people that he will spotlight, right? You usually see people mention, no, he mentions my name. He called me Vegas, bro. He mentions my name all the time. What is his fucking name? Okay. So here's Dickbag. He didn't like that I can actually fucking trade. Let's see, Vegas. Oh yeah, this was him being fucking upset because he was paper trading again. Paper trading. Right? His little fucking paper trading. He's got his little tools over his paper trading. And I showed him like it's so easy to fucking like this. You still have time to delete this, Michael, blah, 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 blah. He was so mad that the other tweet that he did was, let's see, 100K. And this is right where he quit Twitter. Let's see here. Okay, here it was. Does it really not show up because he's blocked me? Anyway, the guy's a fucking retard. Oh, where was it? This is just such a waste of time at this point, trying to find this bullshit. Yeah, like he picks on people who can't trade, and then when I came out, he's like, fuck, this guy can trade, like, and then he like... He's so retarded. And he talked about Robbins, blah, blah, blah. Dude, I forgot how retarded this guy is. I can't, dude. I'm losing brain cells going through his tweets, trying to find the tweets. But anyway, he was like, you guys put 100K in AMP. I was like, yeah, I already did that. And I'm up $2 million so far this year. And he's like, nah, shit. And he tried to do it and then fucking got his ass clapped. So, and then he quit Twitter and he's like, my second cousin's wife's aunt's brother's sister is having health problems. So I gotta take a break off Twitter. Yeah, no, whatever. I don't care what works for you. Do whatever works for you. I couldn't care less. But like the guy himself can't trade. That's all I say. If you're doing something that works, go for it, man. If you're using Wyckoff rebranded as ICT, go for it, baby. Let's go. Get more of it. Would you suggest trading the TQQQ? Why? Why wouldn't you just put the Qs up? Why have a leveraged ETF of an ETF? You know what I mean? What would be the point of that? No, dude, it's so funny. He LARPed that like his son was trading on Top Step and it was like actually him, and just all this bullshit. You're trolling me a little? All right, well, that's fine. Again, I lost brain cells going through his bullshit. I'm stoked that he blocked me because none of his drivel shows up on my feed anymore. Yeah, dude, break and retest that 390 level was a fucking treat. One last trade. Thanks to Rips. Levels up nearly 5K. Now I'm locked out. Let's go, funky player. Let's go, baby. You guys want to do a giveaway? You guys want to do a giveaway right now? Let's do a quick giveaway, huh? Okay, what do you guys want to do a giveaway for? You guys tell me, which firm would you like to do a giveaway for? Tonight, I'm giving away a full allocation on Alpha Futures. So that one's handled for tonight. You guys tell me what you would like to do a giveaway for. Here, let's run a poll on both. Run a poll right now. I'll do whatever you guys pick. Giveaway for which firm? We're doing Alpha tonight. What am I missing? Okay, we'll do that too. Okay, there you go. There's that. Okay. We'll let this poll rock, but we'll do a giveaway for one firm today. Right now, Lucid is leading the charge. Lucid is leading the charge, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, I just realized I'm up 12K today and funded? Why did I think I was only up 10K? I'm up 12K and funded today. It's crazy, brother. Crazy. Wait, do we need a channel points gamble? Did we not pay this out yet? 1016. Okay, 1016 was 355. Let's see. 106. Holy shit, you guys never fucking tell me. 1016 was 398. So the overs won that one. Bang. Okay. Let's do another one really quick. Really fucking quick here. Somebody's 11, guys. Fuck it. We're not going to do another one. It's too late. Let's just do some giveaways. Lucid? Okay. We're going to do Lucid. Lucid is what we're going to do. Okay. Let's do some Lucid. Do some Lucid, baby. Let's do some Lucid. Can't believe I'm up 12 racks, though. 12 rack skis and funded, baby? Let's fucking go. And I got 30K worth of drawdown. Oh, shit. Repsy is coming. Alpha, I'm coming for you, baby. I'm fucking coming. Yes, sir. Fucking let's go, baby. I'm stoked on that. Fucking Rips levels, baby. The Ripsy levels. All right, let's do a Lucid giveaway. Okay. So I'm gonna drop a link right now. Lucid. Oops, that's on it. Lucid. Bang, bang, biggity, bang, bang, biggity, bang, bang, biggity, bang. There we go. Okay, so here we go. Click that link. Click that link. Okay. Click the link. Okay. What else? Oh yeah, I gotta do this. Load this up. Okay. Okay. Go to that page, right? Click the page. Click the page. Let it load. Blow that load. Okay. Right down at the bottom of the page, you see where it says frequently asked questions? Hold on, I'm gonna hide the chat so you guys don't cheat. Frequently asked questions, what is Lucid Trading and how does it work? See where it says direct to funded? Blank the evaluation and begin earning payouts immediately. Type in that word one single time. Blank the evaluation and begin earning payouts immediately. That's how you can enter the giveaway. You have to type in that word, okay? And we're gonna give away a lucky winner a free Lucid account. You guys on YouTube can type this in too, by the way. Why is it not loading for you guys? Oh, wait, what the fuck? What the fuck is going on? Why is it not registering my YouTubers? Dude, Botrix, you fucking suck, bro. What are you doing? Not a single YouTuber is in. Problem, you guys might have to go to a kick to fucking win this. So confused, dude. Hello? YouTube? Hello? I'm so confused, brother. Okay, hold on. Logging out, logging back in. See if this works. Hold on, YouTubers. Hold on. Okay. The cheaters are being exposed. No, it's just not registering any votes from YouTube. It's broken on YouTube, guys. I don't know why Botrix is fucked like this. It's so weird. Because the view count is showing YouTubers. I don't know. Is it me? I'm retarded? I don't know how I'm supposed to do a giveaway when it's not working. Nightbot's working. What? Come on, dude. The fuck? It's only working for Kicksters right now. It's kind of annoying. Dude, I wish these fucking bot programs would fucking work. Botrix is like broken. Look, it's like, I'm telling you guys, it's only fucking, where's the thing? It's only YouTubers, bro. Or I'm sorry, it's only Kicksters. Look at it. It's all Kicksters. There's no YouTubers that are being registered in it. It's so annoying. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know what you guys want me to do. No, it's not sub-only mode, dude. So annoying, bro. I don't get why it's fucked up sometimes. Because, like, why is the view count working, but then the fucking chat isn't working? Let me see, like, chat overlays working too. Like, what the fuck? So confused, bro. Wait, YouTube chat isn't even showing up there, is it? Dude, YouTube chat isn't even showing up anymore. What the fuck is going on, bro? Bro, Botrix is just fucking terrible or what? I'm so mad right now. Join their fucking ass Discord. Fucking yell at them. My shit's not working. Fucking retards. God, so annoying, bro. Can you just fucking work, you piece of shit? Some things just tilt me so fucking much. There you fucking go, you pile of garbage. Look at that. Even the chat isn't registering fucking YouTube right now. How is the number of viewers working, but the fucking chat isn't even showing up? God damn it, Soupy. I'm trying to get a giveaway to you guys. Like, this is so fucking tilting, bro. Such a fucking pile of shit this is. Alright, let's see if that works. There you are, fucking Botrix, you fucking pile of shit. Hi. I'm still having issues with Botrix. Can you force it to join my channel again? Please. God, bag of shit this is. I was wondering why chat was not showing any of the YouTubers. It's fucking annoying. Dude, it happened like 3 weeks ago. It's fucking annoying. I don't know what to do, guys. I mean, I don't want to. I want to have the giveaway be fair, but like, you know, wait till Glovax. Yeah. Fucking not gonna roll it, bro. Oh wait, hold on. They said sure. 1 sec. Hold on, they're here. Okay, let's see if any of the chat works. Hey, there it goes. There it goes. Hold on. Now it should work. Or wait, no. It's still not working. Hold. It's not working. It's not working still. I'm gonna get this giveaway going. Trust me. So fucking annoying. We have slightly more people watching on YouTube than we have on Kick right now. By the way, hit the like button while we're waiting, guys. Let's see. Uptime. Nope, it doesn't. It's not showing the chat and the overlay either. I'm trying to get this working for you kicks or your YouTubers. I rarely ever say that, by the way. Zoom out a little bit here and while we're waiting. Hey, there we go. Botrix is okay. Now it should work, guys. Now it should work. Waiting on you YouTubers. Go. Go. There you go. Now it's working. Bang. I'm gonna ask them what the fuck it was. So annoying, bro. Like, can you guys get your shit working, please? Yeah, there we go. It's working now. Works now. What is going on? Why does this happen? All right, cool. It's working, it's working, it's working. So type in skip one single time. This is gonna be for a free Lucid account. A free Lucid account. I'm like, what the fuck is, why is chat like not showing YouTubers? How annoying, bro. All right, let's see. This is going to be for a Lucid Pro. You guys ready? Here we go. Ready? And bang. Here we go. Here we go. We are rolling. Watch, is gonna be a YouTuber now. Kicksters are gonna riot. Okay, they updated the bot. That's what's going on. Oh my God, it's a YouTuber. Oh, Kicksters are gonna fucking riot, dude. Kicksters are gonna fucking riot right now. Oh no. Oh no. Jesus Leon Moreno de los Tres. Por favor, señor. You are el ganar. Yes, sir. Okay, what is your name on Instagram or Twitter? ¿Cómo se llama en Instagram o Twitter? X, por favor. ¿Cómo se llama? Tu nombre exacto en Instagram o X, por favor. Dímelo, baba. Dímelo. Ahorita, por favor. Give you the at. Por favor, dímelo. Ok. Tío Rico. Ay, tío Rico. Felicidades, güey. Felicidades, tío Rico. Tío Rico. Felicidades, güey. Ok. ¿En X o Instagram? No está en X. ¿En Instagram? No, en X. ¿Está tuyo? ¿Sí o no? ¿Está tuyo? ¿Es ese tuyo? No está tuyo. ¿Cómo se llama en X, por favor? Okay, well, you gotta tell me your name because I don't fucking know what your name is, brother. You said it's Uncle Rico. Oh, okay. Well, how was I supposed to guess that? He's like, oh, well, it's actually Uncle Rico 1123. Yeah. How am I supposed to guess that, brosif? Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. All right, I'm gonna send you this right now. No, it's okay. You don't have to. Do not apologize to me. You're the fucking winner, baby. Where is it? I'm really bad at guessing people's usernames. It's one of the skills I need to work on because people win and they're just like, I don't know, bro. You figure it out. I'm like, okay, fuck. I'm trying to be a better guesser, but I'm just not that great, you know? Okay, Lucid Pro 50K. Bang, 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 bang. Congratulations, Jesus. All right, that's it for me.
Another one.
Okay, fuck. I was gonna lock it up, but fuck.
Another one.
Okay, DJ Khaled, he said he wants another one. We'll do another one. Okay, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Good luck. Here we go. Let's see if it's a Kickster or a YouTuber. Tony Digid. I think it's you. I'm pretty sure. Nope. It's Phil. Phil's the light. Phil is the light and the way. It's you, brother. You are the winner, Phil. Philly Wonka. It's you, baby. What do you say? Philly in the house. Philly. Big Philly, let's go. Hey, there he is. Hey, dude, you didn't make me guess. You're one of the few that actually didn't make me guess. That's so nice of you. He didn't make me guess his username. That's so nice. Thank you, bud. Let's see if it's you, though. I gotta see if that's actually you. And it's you. Nice work there, Phil. Give it up for Phil in the building. Second time he's won, too. He won on April 24th. Oh, my goodness. You guys are some gangsters in here. Y'all are just winning so much. Let that be a lesson to you folks who are like, I never win. Well, you got to have faith like Phil out here. Phil is fucking goated, brother. Phil is winning twice in like the matter of 3 weeks. Lucid Pro 50K. All right, there you go, baby. Enjoy, guys. I'll be back again at 6 p.m. tonight. Thank you all for tuning in for today's stream. It's been a joy. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you folks tonight at 6 p.m. Trade safely out there. We made $12,000 in our funded accounts today. That's all we care about, baby. Remember, if you want the Rips levels, get them on Instagram. Right now, TPT is 50% off with code RIPS. Free activation. Funded seat, 60% off. Lucid, 40% off. Tradeify, 40 or 50% off. Lock in, baby. Lock in. I'll see you guys tonight at 6. Be good. Take care. See ya. Bye. See ya.